Welcome to the Windup Project. I'm Marla Mogul. I have been collecting Windup toys for more than 30 years. I have over 1,000 toys in my collection, and my mission is to share the fun, the laughter, and the joy that I get from these toys with the rest of the world. Welcome to the conclusion of Animal Week at the Windup Project. Today we're ending with pets, which I think is something that everybody can relate to because so many Americans do have pets. The most common pets in the United States are freshwater fish, cats, dogs, small animals like bunnies and hamsters, birds, and horses. Today we are going to take a look at each of those. So the most common house pet are fish. This one is a colorful swing fish because its tail swings back and forth as it swims. Watch this pretty one go. I think that's so pretty. There are 142 million freshwater fish that are pets in American homes. Next, we are going to look at cats. They are the next most common house pet. This one is a yellow flip cat from Hans. He really cooperated today. Thank you. There are 88.3 million cats that are house pets. Incredible. These numbers are incredible. So many people have pets, and I think they're wonderful. Dogs, of course. There's a trick to this dog. I think you're really going to like this. Just looks like a regular little brown dog with flappy ears, but it comes apart. And you put a pencil in here. Let's see what this is. And it becomes a Weiner dog. Come on. Isn't that the cutest thing? Let's see. Watch him walk. Now it's going to take a while before you see the back because he's got that long pencil in between. There are 74.8 million dogs that are house pets. Gotta love them. Next is the rabbit. There are 24.3 million small animals that are kept in households as pets. These include things like even mice, hamsters, gerbils, ferrets, and of course the little bunny. I like this one because it's fuzzy and it has little white feet. And of course it's going to hop around like bunnies do. Okay. Oh. Oh my God, this is so funny. Okay. Okay, maybe a little too many Easter eggs, I don't know. Oh, all right. Energizer Bunny, not so much. Bye-bye, Bunny. Okay, next, it's a beautiful and classic tin toy pecking bird. And let's see, when you wind it up, you actually wind it up with the key. And she quickly pecks. Now that's an Energizer Bunny, but it's really a bird. Okay. All right. And with 13.8 million pets as horses, let's take a look at this little wind-up pony. Oh boy, bucking pony. Look at him go, bucking away. This is the Windup Pony Pal from California Creations. Thank you so much for being here this week for Animal Week. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like what you saw here today, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and TikTok, where I'm posting new content every day. And remember, keep smiling. Thank you, Pat.